In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a new website or managing an existing online store, having a payment method linked to your Hostinger account is a crucial step. So let's get started with these easy steps to set you up smoothly. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger URL. Once you're there, you'll likely see a host of options aimed at bringing your ideas to life online. But for today's focus, we'll need to log in to proceed. Now, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the Hostinger homepage. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to create one to explore their full suite of features. Once you're logged into your Hostinger account, you'll be redirected to what's called the H panel, Hostinger's user-friendly control panel. It's your central hub where you can manage websites, domains, and more. From this page, the next step is to click on the website section. This option helps you dive into specific details about the websites you're managing. So, after clicking on website, you'll see an option that says Manage Store. Clicking that will take you to your store's management area where you can make changes, add products, and most importantly for us, manage the settings involving your payment methods. With the Manage Store page open, find the Settings option. It could be towards the bottom or in the side menu, depending on the current layout Hostinger is using. Clicking on the Settings will guide you further into making specific changes to your e-commerce store. Now within the Settings menu, look for Payments. It is within this section that you can add, edit, or manage your existing payment methods. It's designed to be straightforward, letting you integrate commonly used payment gateways effortlessly. Select payments and you'll see prompts on how to add your preferred method of accepting payments. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated through your Hostinger account settings to add a payment method. Doing this not only ensures your customers can pay you efficiently, but it also supports the growth and stability of your online business. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. If you're ever in doubt, feel free to revisit these steps. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and insights into managing your online presence with ease.